Have you used ChatGPT lately? If not, trust me, you are surrounded by it. Over 100 million people use it every single day. But here is the real question. Do you know which model is best for which task? Should you pick GPT-4o, GPT 4.1 mini, o3, o4 mini? Today, let us break it all down so you always choose the right model at the right moment. Let us begin with the one you probably know, GPT-4o. The little o stands for Omni because this model handles text, images, and audio all in one chat. Upload a photo, speak a question, or type a regular prompt. GPT-4o does it all. It is fast, natural, and perfect for daily tasks such as writing emails, asking for meal ideas, uploading a diagram for quick feedback, or just chatting to clear your mind. But here is the catch. If you are on the free plan, there are usage limits. If you hit them or servers are busy, ChatGPT switches you to GPT-4 mini. GPT-4 mini is the lighter sibling. Still smart, but more practical than deep. For instance, summarizing an article or listing quick pros and cons or brainstorming short ideas. For more complex multi-step logic, you might notice it is not as sharp. If you upgrade to Plus or to Pro, you unlock GPT 4.1. This is the workhorse for bigger, deeper tasks. It handles longer context, tighter reasoning, and complex instructions. Use it for analyze this 10-page research paper and summarize the key findings. Or generate Python code that connects to an API, pulls data, and writes to a CSV. Or draft a detailed policy proposal based on multiple reports. Next, GPT 4.1 mini. This one strikes a balance faster than the full version, but still smart. This model is ideal for give me 10 creative YouTube titles, or write a short product description for my AI tool, or draft quick bullet points for a pitch deck. It often appears automatically if the main GPT-4o is maxed out. Now, let us talk about the O models. Unlike GPT-4o, these start with an O. They belong to a new architecture designed for reasoning, not just answering, but thinking, planning, and explaining step by step. Popular choices: o3 mini and o4 mini. They are fast and surprisingly capable, even for free users, but with daily caps. Use them for, here is a chart, describe the trend in plain language, or solve this tricky word problem and show all steps. If you are on Plus, you get the full o3 model as well, a model much stronger than the minis. It shines at design a 4-week learning plan to study Python as a beginner, or compare 2 business strategies and recommend the better option based on market data. On Pro, you get more usage before hitting limits. Upgrade to Pro and you unlock o3 Pro. This is o3, but with tools. It can browse the web, run live code, and handle files. Perfect for what is the current US inflation rate and what does it mean for tech investors this quarter? Or read this uploaded spreadsheet and highlight spending trends. Plus in Pro, you get extended limits for GPT-4o, GPT 4.1, o3, and all O mini models, so you use them way more often without hitting caps. One more must-know feature, Codex. Launched in mid-2025, Codex is a coding agent built right into ChatGPT. Not just a code suggester, but a true autonomous assistant. When you open Codex, you can connect your GitHub. It reads your repos with your permission, scans files, finds bugs, writes code, runs tests, and even makes commits and pull requests. It works in a secure cloud sandbox, so nothing breaks. You see every change before it happens. Here are some practical use cases. Fix the login bug and push a fix to the repo. Or add dark mode to this React project and ensure all tests pass. Behind the scenes, Codex runs on Codex 1, a version of the o3 architecture specialized for software development. You can even guide its behavior with a file called agents.md. In that file, you define what Codex can touch, what to avoid, and which frameworks you use. Codex is now rolling out for Pro, Team, and Enterprise with a research preview for Plus users. So, Let's recap so we can address our initial question. Which model should you use? First, GPT 4.0 for everyday chatting and light tasks. Second, GPT 4.1 for deep work, complex code and big documents. Third, O models for step-by-step logic and planning. Fourth, O3 Pro for live data, code execution, and advanced tools. And last, Codex if you build software and want a hands-on AI teammate. So as you can see, each model has its own strength and purpose, and there is no single best model. It all depends on your task. Tell us in the comments which model or feature you want a deep dive on next, and do not forget to subscribe so we can keep growing AI vibes together.